my mother came from a family of 5 girls. And my grandmother came from the old country when she was 16 by herself on a ship coming to a relative in Cleveland. Can you imagine how scary that must have been? And she never really learned to speak English very well, but she didn't need to. She figured it out. I would say to her, when was it you came to the United States? And she says, it was Grease Schnee. And I said, yes, it was a big snow in Europe. That's how she remembers when she came. And I'm sure that there is historically something that was like world shaking. And then she also had a great conversation with me about, I said, how do you drive a truck when you don't have a driver's license? She says, I do. I said, how did you get it? You don't speak English. She says, I gave the men a couple of bucks